if you feel inspired to write a song, but feel like, oh, I don't have the skills, I can't even play guitar, I don't know what lyrics I'd write, other people are better at it, and yet, in addition to all those thoughts, you still have an inspiration that you actually want to write a song. For whatever reason, you feel like you want to do that, then I would say take this video as inspiration and take it from me that you can do it. You really can. If you don't play guitar at all, what I would suggest is, first of all, get your guitar out, if you have it, and tune it. There's probably some YouTube video how to tune your guitar, so look that up. Get the thing in tune. That's a good start. It's a really good start. And actually what I would also suggest is tune your guitar to drop D. Again, Google it. That the first three strings that on the very top here, these first three, when you play it, all three of them, they form a chord. The great thing about drop D is to make another chord, all you have to do is take one finger and just pick a fret anywhere you put it and play those same three strings, and it's another chord. That's enough to write a song. Alright, the next step is for me, and when I write a song, the next step usually is the melody. So you can sing whatever. Here's one. Da, 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 da. Just try stuff. Play around. It's not a big deal. Just try different things. You might find that intuitively you come to a certain melody that you like. And if you find a melody that you like, take your phone out and record in voice memos or whatever, and record that. Then, the next piece is lyrics. I think a huge block that people generally have, myself included sometimes, is the feeling of, oh, I've got to write good lyrics. That's not true. You actually don't. You just have to write something. And so don't worry too much about writing a really smart lyrics or really brilliant lyrics. Just write something. It can be pretty direct too, like, what are you hearing? What are you seeing? What does what you see remind you of? Like, I hear the fan blowing from my window. Reminds me of when I was 3 or 5 or 25. You don't have to think too hard about it. If you pick a simple thing, become familiar with a simple thing, then you'll have a decent song. And then, if you can, find your friend and sing it for them. And that is where the magic begins. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to this. I hope you liked it. If you write a song, comment about it and put a link to it, or send me an email or something. I'd love to hear what you come up with. So that's all. Goodbye. Thank you.